What's up, degenerates? Welcome back to Degeneration Nation, or if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is about a sovereign citizen who decided not to listen to the cop, and her window paid the price. Big surprise there, huh? Enjoy the video and roll that intro.
Excuse me, it's ma'am. It is
I am Sheriff Percy Bell, North American National.
I'm retarded.
Fucking degenerate.
Sir, is there a threat? Is there a threat to public safety, sir?
Well, she's off to a great start, isn't she?
Sir, are you... Can you please get your sheriff, the head sheriff?
Oh, and you're a regular Rhodes Scholar. Where was it you graduated from again? The University of Duh?
Head sheriff? What are you talking about? There's only one sheriff. There's no officer or deputy sheriff that's higher. What you see is what you get.
Please get the head sheriff. Get your boss, please. Get your boss. Sir, I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong, sir.
Not listening to their orders is considered doing something wrong, genius.
I'm recording you. I've done nothing wrong. Sir, get your boss. Sir, get the head sheriff, please. Sir, I've done nothing wrong. Is there a threat? Is there a threat to public safety? And not having a license plate is not arrestable offense.
Now that's bullshit.
According to, it's not an arrestable offense, sir.
It's not an arrestable offense according to what? Your imagination?
What are you, fucking stupid?
Why did you pull me over? Do you have a threat to public safety that you need to address? Do you, excuse me, I want to speak to your supervisor. Please get your supervisor. Get your supervisor. No, now. I'm no longer speaking to you, look.
Why is it that sovereign citizens are always so quick to mention the Fifth Amendment, but they actually do not have the capability to stop talking?
What a maroon.
Look it. If you break my window, that's an illegal search and siege. That's illegal.
Wrong.
I'm giving you a lawful order to
Look.
Look here!
Ma'am,
You're
right now I'm placing you under arrest
I'm
for resisting without violence.
am I under a custodial arrest or am I free to go?
You're not free to
Am I under a custodial arrest?
Ma'am, I'm arresting you for resisting
For what?
without violence, for refusing my lawful order.
I'm not refusing anything.
The license,
Look,
proof of insurance,
you didn't ask me. You just told me to pull over.
He doesn't have to ask you. When he says pull over, you pull over. It's really not rocket science.
And there's no threat to public safety. Look.
I'm telling you right now.
Look, let me
Break
show
the
you.
window.
Let me show you. I'm going to show you something. Right now, this is under notice of motion to federal court. This case is under notice of motion to federal court.
Sure, Jan.
Look, signed by a grand jury administrator and timestamped by the courts. Okay? I'm going to show you. It's timestamped by the courts. Right now, you are violating my pursuits to travel.
You're driving. You don't have the right to travel while operating a motor vehicle.
Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Think, McFly. Think.
Signed and dated. You see that? Now, sir, I've done nothing wrong, and it's not an arrestable offense to drive without a license plate. I want to see your boss, please. I'm trying to be reasonable here, and
You want five? You listen to that?
I'm not doing anything wrong. And I've asked if I could see your boss, please.
I already told her she's under arrest.
I cannot be under arrest because there's no injured party.
Now, this is a myth sovereign citizens love to use. The only problem is, it has been debunked time after time after time.
Stupid!
Is there an injured party? Do you have an affidavit and an arrest warrant? Do you have an arrest warrant? He needs to come from away from there. Also, I have a fencing and posting on my body. I have a fencing and posting that says, do not touch my property, my body.
Okay, now, this is a new one to me. I've heard plenty of Savsits say, don't touch me, but never that there's a note on them that says, don't touch. Has anyone heard of this before? Must be new.
Sir, what lawful order states that you can pull me over and illegally search me?
Ma'am, I'm not trying to search you.
Where is, yes you are.
No,
You're trying, I have a fifth, I have a rights, I have rights. And I want to speak to your boss.
Fantastic. Once you get
I want to speak to your boss. No, sir, right now, because if you do anything, you will be done the same way right here. You have a bond, you have license and insurance. There's already one policeman been fired for treating me this way.
Get out of the vehicle.
Sir, I want to speak to your boss. I'm recording you,
That's fantastic.
and I want to speak to your boss.
That's fantastic. Get out of the vehicle.
Oh my God, where's the head sheriff?
Ma'am,
Where is the head sheriff?
get out.
Where is the head sheriff for, what is this county called?
Alachua County Sheriff.
Alachua County.
I'm
Where is
Deputy
your
Rosa,
boss?
ID 1644.
Where is your
I'm giving you
boss?
A lawful order to
A
exit the
lawful
vehicle,
order to do what?
to get out of the vehicle.
I do not have to get out of private
Ma'am,
property.
I'm telling you right
Sir,
now, you do.
sir,
It's
where's
all
your
it says.
boss?
You have the right to act
I
as
am
a
not
citizen.
trying to
You have the
argue
order
with
to
you.
do so.
Get me your boss, please.
Get out of the
Please
vehicle.
get me your boss.
Ma'am,
Please get me your
giving you an order.
boss.
You're under arrest. for
Sir,
resisting
I'm
without
not
violence.
under arrest. There's no arrest
you right
warrant. Do
now.
you have an arrest warrant?
under arrest.
Do you have a proper arrest warrant? Do you have an arrest warrant with the signed wedding signature from a judge that says there's an injured party, that I've injured someone?
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works.
Ma'am, I'm telling
Do
right
you
now,
have that? Go get your boss,
you need to
please.
get out of the vehicle. We're gonna
I
break your window to get
don't
inside and
touch
place
my
you under
vehicle. If you
arrest.
do, that's an illegal search and siege. Sir, I've done nothing wrong. Please get me your boss. Please. Get me your boss. Please get me your boss. I don't know how many times I have to ask for that. I feel threatened right now. I'm being threatened. I'm being coerced. I'm under duress right now. I'm being threatened that if I don't give to the whims of this sheriff, that I'm going to be harmed, that my vehicle's going to be harmed. I need to speak to your sheriff. I need to speak to your office, your superior. I need to speak to your superior, sir. Look, let me show you something. Let me just show you this. This is called the Common Law Handbook.
You serious?
I need to speak with your boss.
Arizona tag on the trailer.
I need to speak with your boss. You're doing something illegal right now. You have a
Do you have
duty.
your license on you?
You have a duty to uphold the Constitution.
eyes on her
Are
while
you
you-
an oath? Are you an oath keeper or a code enforcer? Which one are you? Are you an oath keeper or a code enforcer? Which one are you? Because you don't have a right to pull me over and arrest me. I've done nothing wrong. Look, where is your boss? Are you an oath keeper, Sheriff? Sir? Are you an oath keeper? Look, I do not want to argue with you. I've done nothing wrong. And here's your duty. Here's your duty.
Ma'am, do you have
The
your
duty
license
of
on
the
you today?
sheriff. You have a
Still
sheriff's
refusing to
duty.
Identify yourself.
Why do I have to identify myself? I've done nothing wrong.
1220. You still made away.
Sheriffs today, law enforcement, a sheriff always has the power to make arrests within his or her own county. Some states extend this authority to adjacent counties or to the entire state. Many sheriff's officers also perform routine patrol functions such as traffic control, accident investigations, and transportation of prisoners. Larger departments may perform criminal investigations. Somebody kill me, please! And some, usually large sheriff's office, command and air patrol. As sheriff's law enforcement duty become more extensive and complex, new court duties. Sheriffs are responsible for maintaining safety and the security of the court. A sheriff's deputy may be required to attend court. Sir, where is your boss? You're bound by the Constitution and the oath that you kept. You have no immunity from liability when you are violating my constitutional rights.
You gonna do it from the passenger side?
Don't break my window.
Yahtzee.
Get out of the car.
That's it.
Get out of the car.
Don't.
Get out of the car.
Don't.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
Why would you do such a thing? I feel threatened. He's violating my rights. He's
I love the sound of smashed glass, don't you?
violating. What is your name? What is your name?
Get out of the car
What
now.
is your name?
Get out
No.
of the car now.
No, you broke my window.
No shit.
No.
Get out of the car
No. No.
under
You're
arrest.
ripping me out of my vehicle.
under arrest.
Stop. I did nothing wrong. Stop.
Now comes the part where we throw our heads back and laugh. Ready?
That's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it around. I'm also very interested in what you have to say, so please leave a comment below. Until next time, later days.
Yeah, you're a sovereign citizen. You eat all my beans, nigga.
Fuck some hoes after I rock this place. Super fly.
Look here. Look, listen.
Special thanks to my $5 patrons, Deborah M., Eddie J., Elizabeth K., It's John Dell, Jason S., Lisa B., Lisa S., a second Lisa S., Loyal American, Marinko M., Michael McLeod, Nora H.S., Scott C., Scott F.C., Seldenga Dogs, Tammy B., Wes D., and William F.